Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, with the last lecture maybe, because hopefully the corona is getting over, and within the next week might be we will have a live conversation in the classroom. Today I am going to discuss with you in the subject of telecommunication. ET343 is the code of the subject. So we will discuss today. Last time we were discussing about the telephone exchange, its parameters, and how it may works between the different subscribers and its switching positions. Today we are discussing about a specific thing about the telephone exchange, that is telephone traffic. We all know that the signaling or the communication between different subscribers through a telephone exchange is known as telephone traffic. And here is the definition: the total number of calls switched through a telephone exchange is called as telephone traffic. The number of calls, how many, there are some parameters, and how it will be discussed in our next lectures, or when we will go for a telephone exchange visit where we will study this type of parameter, how it works. So the next is the busy hour. What is busy hour? Hour means 60 minutes, busy means busyness. Number of calls connected through a telephone exchange in the time duration of 60 minutes. Within 60 minutes, how many calls connected or communicated or switched through a telephone exchange is known as the busy hour. The busy hour of the day, what will be the busy hour of the day? For say between 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, when offices are open, there might be a busy hour because everyone wants to communicate with each other. So might be between 9 to 10 o'clock busy hour, might be between 2 to 3 o'clock it will be a busy hour. 1000 calls or 2000 calls passed through or connected through a telephone exchange. So within the time duration of 24 hours, the hour in which number of maximum calls communicated or connected or switched through a telephone exchange is basically known as the busy hour of the telephone exchange. The next is traffic unit, the most important one. Traffic unit. Traffic unit is denoted by TU. TU. It is a call duration time measuring unit. It is known as traffic unit. Basically, in the System International, the telephone exchange, traffic system international of units, is basically defining the parameter of a telephone exchange with an emission that traffic unit is denoted by T by U is equal to number of calls C multiplied by the time duration. So number of calls multiplied by the time duration is equivalent to the time unit. What happened with the time unit? When we go for it, we say that it's a time unit. Why we need the time unit? Because we have to calculate and put over charges or the rate of call that is basically a service providing charges of a telephone exchange. Those are required over here. So this unit is working. Call, number of calls multiplied by the time duration. Holding time. It is the time in which all switches of a telephone exchange are busy. Many times, not nowadays, it might happen or not happen after coming the digital systems, but in old times it would happen that the telephone exchange, all the switches of a telephone exchange were busy, and when a telephone subscriber tries to dial a number, the message comes from the telephone exchange that all switches are busy, so call later or dial the number, requested number later. So those numbers were the this whole phenomena was known as the holding time. Hopefully that you may understand my lecture. Today's my lecture, and if there is any kind of query you may ask me through Google Class or live in the next lecture. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.